You're my sweetest.
Today we're on the east coast of Yorkshire, fitting our one-way daytime privacy window film to this static caravan.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb.
No more need for these net curtains, they can be removed.
And I thank you for being you. I'll be your
Give the window a good clean,
I'll be
and then start installing the film.
whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love
These films
you more and
offer
more
excellent heat reduction and glare reduction,
I love
and
you
also
more and
one-way
more
daytime
and
privacy.
more than I can say.
They also hardly cut down on any visible light,
You're my
as you can see,
sweetest addiction.
mirrored finish.
You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Visit Solar Frost Window Films for more information.
There's no